good morning, or maybe good afternoon, or might be the next day, depending on what part of the world you're located in. But in any event, happy Aloha Friday from Hawaii. My name is Howard Richmond, and I'm with Richmond Realty Hawaii, and I'm here to say happy Aloha Friday again to all of you. I appreciate your coming to our site and participating. Much aloha for that. And today we're going to talk about buyers. But before we begin, I just want to tell you a little bit about Richmond Realty Hawaii. Been around a long time, been licensed since the early 70s, represented buyers, sellers, investors. We've done property management, we've done remodeling, we have done flips, buy a house, redo it, put it back on the market, turn a profit. So basically, we're a one-stop shop for all your real estate needs, including auction. And we've done auctions on all the islands many times. During the bust back a few years back, when there were a lot of foreclosures, we did multiple auctions on all the islands, so it was a blast. I mean, not that the fact that these people were losing all their properties, but we had an opportunity to see all the islands, and they're all so beautiful and they're all so different, and it was just a great experience to visit them and have the opportunity to do so. But again, you can reach us on the web anytime, richmondrealtyhawaii.com. You can search. We got a fantastic website. Check it out. You'll love it. Also, you can reach us by telephone. And that's an unusual thing today. Always reach us by telephone at 808-754-8926 anytime. We answer the telephone. We're an unusual group, okay? You know, text, yes, we do text. Yes, we do emails. But the best way to reach us is directly by telephone, because why? We answer. Unusual, very unusual in today's society. You know, you can see two people at an airport or two people anywhere right next door to each other, and they're texting each other. It's just unbelievable. But that's the society that we live in today, so you got to adapt. You know, we text, like I said, and we email, and we do it all. We're tech savvy. So, you know, however you want to reach us, that's up to you. Anyway, again, getting back to talking about buyers and representing buyers and protecting buyers to make sure the buyer is totally protected and the deal is going to close. Because if the deal doesn't close, it's all up in smoke. So, first of all, we want to make sure that the buyer is pre-qualified. What that means is this. Before we're going to take you out, or before we're going to meet you at a piece of property, you call us, you say, I'm interested in this property. Well, fine. That's great. Can you afford? And a lot of people just don't know. They have no idea whether they can afford to buy the property. They don't know where their credit stands. So we will tell you to call our mortgage company, and they will do what they call a pre-qual. They'll do a credit check on you. They'll find out information regarding your income and what type of work you do, and basically what kind of money you're making. Therefore, we know, they know, we all know where we stand, what type of property, dollar-wise, you can afford. Then, when you're not wasting your time, we're not wasting ours. So then we can go out and we can do the hunt. We can find whatever you want, whatever the criteria is. I don't care what it is. You know, you want a pool, you want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, doesn't matter. Whether you want a condominium, whether you want a house, whether you want a leasehold, whether you want to buy with a fee. A lot of people don't know what that means, but lease, when you have a leased property, when you buy a property and it's a leasehold, you have no interest in the land. So you're paying the current owner of the land a monthly fee called a lease fee. And the owner may or may not sell a portion of that land to you in the future. So it can be dangerous. And very common in Hawaii for condominiums, but it's not very common on the mainland or other parts of the world. You usually get fee simple, which means you get an interest in the land and all the four walls and the structure and everything. So anyway, you got to be pre-qualified, and then you can ready to start your search. Okay, that's the first thing. Then you got to find out, well, where do you want to live? What part of the island you want to live on? You know, you're going to make that decision yourself, or we'll be more than happy to tell you what we think. We know the island. We know every part of the island. We know most of the islands, the outer islands as well. So depends where you want to live. how many bedrooms, how many baths you want. That's all part of the criteria, what you want. It's not about us, it's about you. And then we have to make an offer. Everything is A-okay, we know how much you can afford, we know where you want to live, we find the right property, you love it, we make an offer. Okay, then we got to get an acceptance. A lot of times in today's economy or today's real estate inventory, shall I say, we run into a lot of what we call bidding wars. It's like an auction, it's the same thing. You place a bid for asking price. Somebody else comes in and goes higher. That doesn't happen all the time, but that's a possibility. So keep that in mind. A lot of people get really frustrated with the process. I do, but I'm a straight shooter. I'm going to tell you exactly. If we have the listing, I'm going to tell you where we're at, because I'm an auctioneer as well. So I'm not going to hold out and just say, I'm going to take all the offers, I'm going to present them to the seller all at one time, and then we'll make the decision. No. I'm going to tell you where we're at. You want to beat it? That's fine. And we do the same thing. We hope we can do the same thing when we represent a buyer. Okay? So we're under contract now. We've chosen the best title company in town. We've been with them for years. They're fantastic. It's Title Guarantee. And we got the best agents with the company as well, so we know the deal's going to close. Now, it's inspection time. We're going to go in, we're going to inspect the property to make sure. We're going to use a great inspection company of your choice, whatever you want. We can make some recommendations. You go in, you check the property out to make sure that everything is A-okay. And if there's any problems, we can negotiate with the seller and get the problems fixed and/or get a credit or whatever we have to do. We're going to get a copy of the condominium docs, knowing exactly what to expect from the association. So there's no surprises down the road. You're going to get a copy of the documents. The seller has to provide those. If it's a house and you're buying it, we're going to do a survey. We're also going to do the same type of inspection. It doesn't matter. You're going to get a title report from the title company letting you know on a preliminary basis if there's any liens, encumbrances, so we're not wasting time, but that we have to clear up prior to closing. And you're also going to get a disclosure from the seller, which is a law in the state of Hawaii that that the seller provides a seller's disclosure to you of everything they know about the property. And then you have so many days to look that over and make a decision, again, based on that, whether you want to proceed. So, there's a lot of intricacies that are involved in any transaction. And, so many things, so many bumps in the road. That's what we get paid for. We protect you, whether it's a seller that we're protecting, that we want to make sure that the deal closes, a buyer. We keep most of the stuff to ourselves. We don't want to aggravate our sellers, our buyers, whatever. And the reason for that is because we're experts at what we do, and we want to keep everything copacetic. And when it gets to the point where we need to discuss things with you, we will. Other than that, we're not going to tell you everything that you don't need to know, because it's aggravating. It's a very stressful situation. Real estate is very stressful. So, that's what you pay us for. And again, the whole thing is this. People don't understand that. You can go through all this process, and at the end of the day, nobody gets paid until it's recorded. So, it's not like, what do you charge? And basically, the answer is nothing, because until the deal actually records and the disbursement from the title company, nobody gets any money. So the answer to that question is we don't charge anything. We do it all for nothing until the deal closes. And I'll tell you what, we're worth every penny that you can possibly pay us. And we're reasonable. We're not greedy, but we do get the job done. And it's the old story in this world today. It's always been this way, and always will be. You get what you pay for, okay? You get what you pay for. So I'm not going to hold you up anymore. I appreciate your attention. I appreciate you listening to what we have to say. We do know what we're doing. Richmond's the name. Real estate's the game. You can always reach us. Remember, 808-754-8926, 808-754-8926, RichmondRealtyHawaii.com. This is Aloha Friday. It's the end of the week. I want everybody to have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy. Be safe. Oh, spring forward. You got to take all your clocks, Not in Hawaii. That's one thing we don't do here. We never touch the clocks here. So we stay neutral. It's everybody else. You guys on the mainland, you lose an hour's sleep. They say that, you know, for your health, it's not the best thing in the world. So when you spring forward, be careful. Get that extra hour. Slowly move into it because it's very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. So, and what I mean by that is people have more strokes, more heart attacks, and more health conditions when they move that clock ahead. It's hard to believe. I saw it on the news last night. I couldn't believe it. So slowly move in to that hour change. I really wish they'd do away with it. It's ridiculous, even in today's society. It's absolutely ridiculous. But it is what it is. So, you know, we're lucky we don't have to change our clocks here. But keep in mind, you know, we're 5 hours from the East Coast now. After Sunday, we're going to be 6 hours from the East Coast. But again, at the end of the day, Aloha Friday. Happy Aloha Friday to everybody. Much aloha. Be safe. Have a great weekend. And get out and vote. We need your vote. Get out and vote. Whoever you want to vote for. But get out and vote. Much aloha. We'll see you then next Friday, same time, same station. Aloha.